We can also apply Hess's law to determine standard reaction enthalpies from standard enthalpies of formation. It turns out that Hess's law leads to the conclusion that the standard reaction enthalpy is just equal to the sum of the standard enthalpies of formation of all the products minus the sum of the standard enthalpies of formation of all the reactants. This graphic explains where this equation comes from. Let's say we have a reaction in which hypothetical reactants are converted into hypothetical products, and let's say we know the standard enthalpy of formation of these reactants and products, which is indicated here by the height of these lines above a bar representing the constituent elements in their standard state. We can calculate the enthalpy change for the reaction, which is represented by this red arrow, by considering the path in which the reactants first decompose into the constituent elements, followed by the recombining of the constituent elements to form the products. The enthalpy change for this reaction is simply the sum of the enthalpies of formation of all the products, and so that's where this term comes from. This reaction here represents the unformation of the reactants, and so its enthalpy change is just the negative of the sum of the enthalpies of formation of all the reactants. So that's where this term comes from. And here is an example which you should make sure you understand in which we apply this principle.